Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add channel, how you can share your channel to your YouTube Kids app. So this is very easy. You need to close the YouTube app first. Then you can access your primary YouTube channel or YouTube app. Here you can search your channel that you want to share into your kids. For example, the Animal Planet. Here you can tap three dots, and here you can scroll down and tap share. Then you can tap share with kids. Now you can tap or share into your YouTube Kids profile. So now you can access your YouTube Kids. Then try to search the app that you already shared or channel that you already shared. So you can access the channel via YouTube Kid. Once more, I repeat how you can add channel into your YouTube Kids, so your kids will watch the channel that you already shared via your YouTube app, primary app. For example, you can try to search the channel, for example, the cartoon channel. Here you can tap three dots beside the title. You can scroll down and try to share. You can tap share, scroll down again, share with your kids. You can tap it. Now this video will be available in your YouTube Kids. So here share on a profile of your YouTube Kids. So you can click down. So here please you can try to be careful in order to share any YouTube video into your kids. You can select your best video to your kids to make your kids smarter via by watching YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.